We are learning about writing the same sound in different ways. These two letters both make the sound k. C makes a k sound like in the words cat, cake, and can. K also makes a k sound like in the words kite, kettle, and kangaroo. The letter F and the blend PH both make a F sound. The letter F makes a F sound like in the word food, for, and flee. The letter PH, the blend PH, also makes a F sound, like in the word phone, dolphin, and elephant. Here is the letter J. J makes a j sound. Here is the letter G. Usually G makes a g sound, but sometimes it can make a j sound, like the letter J. The letter J goes j, like with jam, jelly, and jump. The letter G can sometimes go j, like with the name George and Georgia, and the word giant. Here is the letter S, which makes a S sound. Here is the letter C. Mostly C makes a k sound, like the letter K, but sometimes C can make a S sound, the same as an S. The letter S makes a S sound, like in the word snake, silly, and so. Sometimes the letter C can also make a S sound, like in the word circle, centre, and centipede. Here is the letter R. R makes a R sound. Here is the blend WR. Together, this also makes a R sound. The letter R makes a R sound, as in the word rat, red, and rainbow. The blend WR also makes a R sound, as in the word right, wrestle, and wren. Here is the blend SK. SK makes a sk sound. Here is the blend SC. SC also makes a sk sound. This is the blend SK. It makes a sk sound, as in skip, sky, and skate. Here is the blend SC. SC makes a sk sound, as in the words scare, scarf, and scoop. Here is the letter W. W makes a W sound. Here is the blend WH. WH also makes a W sound. The letter W makes a W sound, as in the word water, wait, and will. WH also makes a W sound, as in the word while, wheel, and white. So you can see there are lots of letters that make the same sounds. Sometimes you just know what letter words start with or what letter it is that needs to go in the word. Other times if you write it and it doesn't quite look right, you can try writing it with the other letter that makes the same sound and see what looks right.